Welcome, performance enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the heart of a true hypercar icon, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Today, we're breaking down what makes the Aventador SVJ a 770 horsepower monster, focusing on its incredible V12 power unit. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is more than just a car. It's the definition of hypercar performance, blending raw power with groundbreaking aerodynamics. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine specifications that give the SVJ its fearsome reputation. At its core lies the legendary naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This massive displacement delivers instant response and a truly visceral driving experience. The SVJ pushes this V12 to extremes, achieving a staggering 770 metric horsepower, or CV, alongside 720 Newton-meters of torque. That's pure, unadulterated power. This immense power translates directly into blistering performance figures. The SVJ rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, demonstrating world-class acceleration. But the SVJ is not just about engine power. It's also about innovative engineering. Let's look at the key SVJ innovations that enhance its performance. Central to its track dominance is the patented Aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva, or ALA 2.0 system. This is active aerodynamics taken to a new level. The ALA 2.0 system actively manages airflow, providing high downforce for stability in corners and low drag on straights, giving the SVJ enhanced cornering ability. All these elements combine to produce an unbelievable experience on the track, pushing the limits of what a road-legal car can achieve. The SVJ famously held the production car lap record at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, a true testament to its engineering and performance capabilities. Beyond the numbers, the V12 engine delivers an auditory experience like no other, a raw, aggressive soundtrack that is synonymous with Lamborghini's heritage. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ stands as a masterpiece of automotive engineering. The SVJ represents the pinnacle of Lamborghini engineering and power, a ferocious machine designed for the road and the track. Thank you for joining us to explore the 770 HP monster. What a legacy this hypercar has forged.